afternoon. We're on Collins at 44. In front of us is the Mega Resort Fontainebleau. I'm still on the boardwalk, taking several videos for my client. Fontainebleau has hotel condo for sale. For more detailed information about real estate in this project, please contact Daniel. This is the outdoor Lakota restaurant. There's another 5 restaurants at the property. Hakkasan, Blade. It's Super Bowl weekend, so there's this pink tent that is not usually there during the normal week. Fontainebleau has direct ocean access, white sand, turquoise ocean, jet ski for rent, beds with towels. It's now February 7, 2010, a few more hours before the game. This is the hotel part of the Fontainebleau project. Behind is the hotel condo. As I mentioned earlier, for more detailed information about Miami real estate or Fontainebleau in particular, please contact Daniel at 786-234-9898. I would love to show you around this property. Forgot to mention the Live nightclub, the biggest nightclub in South Florida, located here. Thank you for watching and have a good day.